The TALFIT 55-gallon drum pump stands out as a sturdy, all-metal hand pump that feels solid in use and is clearly built for regular shop duty. Its modular aluminum tube design lets you match the intake length to anything from small pails to full-size 55-gallon drums, so one pump covers a wide range of containers. The corrosion-resistant aluminum construction keeps weight manageable while still handling diesel, kerosene, and a variety of light and heavy oils without fuss. Once assembled, the crank action is smooth and efficient, moving fluid at a steady rate with little effort, which is especially helpful during frequent transfers. The included accessories, from the filter to the telescoping discharge hose and clamps, make the kit feel complete and reduce the need to buy extra fittings. With basic care like occasional lubrication of the pump core, this manual unit is designed to deliver an impressively long service life in garages, farms, and industrial settings.